Welcome back to the KhazinaDigital series, Unlock Your Menu's Power. In our last episode, we talked about how most digital menu boards are underperforming. Today, we're going to dive into the how. It's not just about what you show, it's about how you show it. This is where the psychology of the pixel comes in. Did you know there's a specific way people scan a menu? It's not random. Our eyes naturally follow a path, and the most effective menus are designed around this eye flow. For a single screen, we tend to start at the center, then move to the top right, and then to the top left. By placing your most profitable or desired items in these prime real estate spots, you're not just hoping for a sale, you're guiding it. Next up, let's talk about imagery. A blurry photo of a burger won't make anyone's mouth water. Use high quality, vibrant, and professionally shot food photography. Think about it. Customers eat with their eyes first. And don't forget color. Green can represent freshness, red can stimulate appetite and excitement, and orange can be seen as energetic and fun. The colors on your screen can subliminally influence a customer's mood and choices. Beyond images, your descriptions are a sales tool. Don't just say pizza. Say hand-stretched sourdough pizza topped with rich San Marzano tomatoes and creamy buffalo mozzarella. It tells a story and makes the product irresistible. This is especially powerful when you can use it with dynamic pricing. Imagine being able to change the price or highlight a today's special on a rainy afternoon to boost sales. This is where a cloud-based system becomes a true game changer, allowing you to react to the weather, time of day, or even inventory levels. So, stop using your screens as static boards. Start thinking like a designer and a psychologist. Use eye flow, vibrant imagery, and persuasive descriptions to craft a menu that doesn't just inform, but actively sells. This approach can boost your average order value and transform a slow day into a profitable one. In our next episode, we'll talk about how to save time and boost efficiency with cloud-based digital signage. Subscribe to KhazinaDigital to stay ahead of the curve.